Not all cars will require a load resistor, but if you need to install one because your LED lights flicker, we will show you how to install the Anti-Flicker and Load Resistor Kit. The kit includes a wire connector with 3 ends, 2 with yellow stripes that will get plugged into the bulbs, and 1 end without the stripe that will be plugged into the driver's side connector coming from your car. The load resistor will be plugged into the passenger side. You will first need to unplug the wire connector from the car to your bulb. Plug one side of the kit connector into the connector from your car on the driver's side. Run the long section of wire with the yellow stripe to the passenger side and plug in the LED bulb. You can then connect the shorter side to the LED bulb on the driver's side. You will then need to plug in the plug-and-play resistor into the passenger side connector running from your car. The other end of the resistor will remain unplugged. Test before reinstalling the LED bulbs. Some bulbs are polarity sensitive, so you may have to reverse the plug. When the bulb lights, you're ready to put it all back together.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.